हम डिस्कस करेंगे फोर्स बिटवीन टू पैरेलल कंडक्टर्स कैरिंग करंट। दो पैरेलल करंट कैरिंग स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर्स C1 D1 and C2 D2. The currents flowing in them are I1 I2. हमने पहला केस लिया है जब करंट दोनों कंडक्टर्स में सेम डायरेक्शंस में है। तो ये दोनों कंडक्टर्स एक दूसरे के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में है। जैसे ये अगर हम बात करें इसकी कंडक्टर C2 D2 की, it is in the magnetic field B1 due to the conductor C1 D1. According to right hand thumb rule, the magnetic field at this point is perpendicular and inwards. And we apply Fleming's left hand rule, then the direction of the force is F2 towards the left side. Similarly, we can see the force is acting towards right direction. Magnetic field B1 we can write, that is due to C1 D1, mu naught I1 upon 2 pi R. R is the distance between them. So B1 is the magnetic field in which wire C2 D2 is placed. So we can find the force F is equal to, we write first the general formula, BIL sin theta. In this case, B is B1, current is I2, and we are taking the force on unit length, so we say 1. And the angle is 90 degrees, so it is 90. Sin 90 degrees is 1, so it is B1 I2. So we write the value of B1 mu naught I1 upon 2 pi R and I2. So finally we get the expression mu naught. If we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, then it will become 4 pi, and we can write 2 I1 I2 upon R, and this is F2. Similarly, if we proceed in the same way, then we get the value of F1 the same, that will be mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 upon R. So in general we can say this is the expression for either wire on the unit length. The force between them will be mu naught 4 pi I1 I2 upon R. If we take the second case when the currents are in opposite direction, so suppose we say the current in the second wire is this direction, so the situation will be different now. Now the magnetic field B1 will be perpendicular and inwards, but as the direction is different, अब ये direction जो है current की downward है, we apply the Fleming's left hand rule and the force will be in the direction that is toward the right side. Similarly, the force on the wire C1 D1 will be towards left direction, because now in this case B2 is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and outwards. So what we see that if the directions of currents are same, the two conductors, they will attract, and if the directions of currents are in opposite then they will repel each other.